90% of people kill their houseplants within the first 21 days. Most think they're careless, but the truth is, you're likely doing one specific thing wrong. You're treating survivors like victims. Today, we're exposing the Immortals, 12 plants that have evolved over 400 million years to survive fire, darkness, and total neglect. If you've failed at gardening before, it's not your thumb, it's your strategy. Let's dive into the elite 12 that most gardening guides won't tell you are practically unkillable. Welcome to the evolution of gardening story. Meet the snake plant. Most people think it needs a bright window. They're wrong. In the rocky barrens of West Africa, this plant survives in near total darkness. But here's the shocker: most people kill this plant by caring too much. In USDA zones 911, this plant can survive outdoors in 100-degree heat, but in your living room, overwatering causes a cellular collapse in less than 72 hours. Did you know? It's one of the only species that pumps out 20% more oxygen after the sun goes down. Ignore it for 30 days and it grows faster. It doesn't want your love, it wants your distance. This is the ZZ plant, or as I call it, the interior designer's cheat code. It looks like plastic, but its biology is genius. Beneath the soil, it hides large, bulbous rhizomes that act like biological water tanks. It's basically a succulent in a tuxedo. It can thrive in light levels as low as 50-foot candles. That's practically a dark closet. You're not watering a plant, you're managing a reservoir. If you water it more than once a month, you're basically suffocating its roots. It's built for the forgetful gardener, and it's winning the evolutionary race because of it. Imagine being clinically dead for a century and waking up in 3 hours. That's not a movie plot, it's the resurrection plant. Scientists have found that this plant can lose 95% of its internal moisture and its DNA remains intact. It literally pauses its life. It's a tumbleweed that waits for a single drop of rain in the Chihuahuan desert. It's the ultimate fail-safe. If you forget it for a year, just add water. It's a biological glitch that defies the concept of death. We're halfway through, but the top 5, they change the rules of biology entirely. Coming up, a plant that can survive a literal house fire and another that grows without a single grain of soil. If you think you've seen it all, watch what happens at number 1. In the 1800s, coal lamps produced toxic fumes that killed everything except the cast iron plant. It's physically built to withstand extreme drafts and temperature swings from 45 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the only plant on this list that actually prefers dust on its leaves over fresh misting. Why is it so rare? Because it grows so slowly that it's not profitable for mass production. It's a slow-motion survivor that refuses to be rushed. They call it devil's ivy because it's nearly impossible to kill. But here's the real secret: you can create an infinite forest from one single leaf. A single vine can grow 10 feet in a single season. Is it wilting? That's not death, that's a communication. It sags exactly 12 hours before its cells actually need water. It's the perfect starter soldier for your indoor garden. Aloe vera isn't just a plant, it's a first aid kit with an ego. In the wild, it survives in bone, dry soil by sealing its own wounds with specialized latex. It can go 3 months without water by consuming its own internal gel. Most people kill it by using soil that stays too wet. It thrives on punishing sunlight and total neglect. Meet Tillandsia, the plant that looked at soil and said no thanks. It pulls nutrients directly from the air using microscopic scales called trichomes. Its roots are only for anchoring to trees, not for drinking. If it looks dry, don't water the base. Drown the whole plant in a bowl for 20 minutes to reset its biological clock. The ultimate survivor. NASA confirmed it removes 95% of toxins like formaldehyde from your air. It produces pups or clones that can be snipped and restarted in seconds. It's a self-replicating survival machine that grows in almost any light condition. It doesn't just live, it multiplies. If your home is a dark cave, this is your queen. Chinese evergreen has evolved variegated leaves specifically to catch every stray photon of light. It's one of the few immortals that handles high humidity perfectly, making it unkillable even in a windowless bathroom. It thrives where others starve. This isn't a palm, it's a succulent masquerading as a tree. That massive base is actually a water storage tank. It can survive a literal year-long drought. It's built like an elephant's foot and is virtually immune to the forgetful gardener syndrome. In many cultures, the jade plant is a symbol of luck, but in biology, it's a symbol of extreme resilience. It stores water in its thick, woody trunk and waxy leaves. It can outlive its owners, often reaching 70 to 100 years of age. It doesn't die, it just waits for you to catch up. Finally, the number one spot, the gopher plant, it doesn't just survive, it dominates. Evolution sees a weapon. Its sap is a toxic latex that stops predators. Those spirals follow a Fibonacci sequence for maximum self-shading. It thrives in soil so poor and rocky that other plants would starve. It is the architect of its own immortality. The truth is, gardening isn't about having a gift. It's about choosing the right partners. You've seen the science, the stats, and the survivors. Now, the question is, are you ready to stop being a plant killer and start being a storyteller? Drop a comment. Which of these 12 are you betting on? I respond to the first 50 comments personally. Hit subscribe for the next chapter of Gardening Story. Because if these plants can refuse to die, so can your dream of a green home.